Hello! Today we will take a look at headphones that were sent to us for a test. Avantree Aria AS90P Pro are Bluetooth headphones with active noise cancelling and detachable boom microphone. They promise a lot of things on the box, but high-end wireless headphones, well, I don't know about that, champ. As you can see, these headphones come with active noise cancelling, and in addition to the built-in microphones, there is also a detachable boom microphone, as well as high-definition music. And nice bonus is warranty on registration, very nice. Avantree for a better experience. So, what awaits us in a box? The headphones themselves, the attachable headset microphone, which is something unseen in this category of headphones. It's more of a gaming segment, although such boom arc mic provides a better quality because it's closer to the mouth. There is also a charging USB cable, a 3.5mm audio cable, and some papers. And we can't forget about specifications of headphones themselves on the box. The main features also graphically shown on package. On the other side of the box, there are more detailed descriptions of features. There is also evidence that it's in line with the European market and a warning that Bluetooth is not a vitamin. QR code, and it's more or less everything that is visible on the top. So let's dig in. Cool! The first thing we see is support information that we hopefully won't need. What we see here are papers and a solid headphone case. The first manual is filled with all the info on how to get started and what each button means. There's also a booklet about safety and warnings, but who reads those? There's also a business card for support and warranty info, and another important info paper about the aptX codec. Before complaining about delays, make sure your machine at least supports the aptX codec. But this channel is called Tech Screw and not Book Screw. That means it's time to look at the most important thing, the headphones themselves. I already like that there is a hard case because neither my Sennheiser HD450 nor the Sony headphones came with a hard case, just some cloth bags. Well, let's look inside. Voila, the headphones themselves. And also this detachable mic boom. Honestly, this is the first time I see something like this in big headphones with noise cancelling. There are also some wires, but what's nice is that pocket is sticky and nothing will fall out compared to some other hard cases. A stereo cable is included so that the headset can be connected to devices via Bluetooth or if battery is running low. The cord is also long enough. There is also a charging cable that is long enough for headphones to be used while charging. Wait. I see something like this for the first time. A sticker on the headband about video guide. Removing it leaves a slight color difference, which is not nice. Hopefully on the next headset sticker will be somewhere else. The headphones look solid. On my Sennheiser that is 2 times more expensive, there is no sight of metal, but on these ones there is. The headphones can be folded in different ways to make them take up less space or to be held comfortably around the neck when talking to someone or not listening to music. The headphones also look flexible enough for them to not break like beads when putting them on your head. The earpads are also puffy and big enough. These Avantree Aria Pro also have near-field connection, lots of buttons so that all necessary functions can be done without taking the phone out of your pocket. One of the buttons can be used to activate voice assistant if you ever use that feature. Maybe one of my viewers is already using these and can comment their review. That would be great. So, how do they sound? It should be mentioned that I am audiophile who every day uses a headphone combo worth $600. I also have home stereos for just over $3,000, so my thoughts about sound may be too critical. When making a choice, always look at several reviews or if possible, try the headphones yourself. After using these headphones, I looked at the opinions of other users and most of them were very positive, so that means it's my fault this time. So, when you turn on noise cancelling, the sound becomes weird, but without noise cancelling it's such a pleasant toots. I also found some songs where the bass shook my ears a little bit. Everything is okay with that. The headset offers a lot of options for which big brands will ask for at least $200. In addition, the boom mic is also nice if you use headphones for gaming. Put on a foam filter on this mic and even wind won't bother it, which is a problem for all headphones with built-in mic. The noise cancelling also works just like in any headphones, removing bottom noise so that music sounds clearer and can be listened on lower volumes with less noise. They are also very comfortable. My out-of-home Sennheiser headphones in comfort are no different. Earpads are also smaller. Of course, these can press your ears after a few hours. However, they are not open-type over-ear earpads. My final rating is that these headphones look better than they sound. But this sound is subjective. One wants more extra bass, other more highs, other balanced, neutral and dry reference sound. You get the idea. Therefore, the best I can recommend is to validate the opinions of several people. Every one of them has different needs and desires. If you like these headphones, you can safely buy them and test them. If you don't like them, you can always return them or buy something else, because nothing can be better than trying it yourself. Hopefully you found this video useful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, leaving your opinions would be very nice. And for now, ciao!